Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to add JazzCash credit card or debit card to your Google Wallet app. So how to actually do that? It's very easy. So first you need to actually have downloaded the Wallet app or Google Wallet app. So if you didn't actually download it, you need to go to Google Play and search for it and download it. After that, just open the app as you from here. And then from here you will see all the credit cards or cards that you have. You can actually click on the plus icon, and now you can click on payment card and click on new credit or debit card. So you can now add all the information of your card to add it to your Google Wallet. So now you can just fill the details from here, the card number, the month, the security code, and also you can add your name and street address. After you do so, you can click on save and continue, and your JazzCash card will be connected to Google Wallet. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.